A common challenge with UX work is how to make complex systems feel intuitive and user-friendly. Enter object-oriented UX, or OOUX, a method invented and evangelized by Sophia Prater. Object-oriented UX focuses on designing systems around objects rather than screens or actions. These objects are recognizable units or entities within a system. Let's take a real-world example. Think of a messy office. To organize it, you wouldn't just think about the actions taken there, like brainstorming, thinking, writing, or printing. Instead, you'd think about the objects involved: the desk, the chair, the computer, the files. Just like that office, our digital interfaces can be organized around objects. For example, imagine we're designing a mobile app for an online library. Rather than starting with actions like borrow a book or review a book, we'd identify the primary objects involved: books, authors, reviews, and users. These are the entities people naturally think about when they consider a library. Next, we define the properties of each object. For instance, a book might have a format, a title, an author, genre, and reviews. Object-oriented UX comes to life as we start to define the relationships between these objects. An author writes a book. A user leaves a review. Recognizing these relationships helps us craft intuitive systems and subsequently interfaces. In our app, when a user clicks on a book, they can see its details, the format, the title, the author, and the reviews. Everything feels interconnected, logical, and clear. The benefits of object-oriented UX are that users spend less time learning the system. They find what they need faster, and the overall experience feels more natural because it aligns with their mental models. Object-oriented UX isn't just about design, it's about understanding. By focusing on objects, their properties, and their relationships, we can make even the most complex systems feel simple and intuitive.
Thanks for watching. If you want to see more of our UX videos, take a look at these over here and consider subscribing to our channel. On our website, nngroup.com, you can access our free library of over 2,000 articles. You can also register for one of our virtual UX conferences that offer live, hands-on UX training.